In this problem, we know that a circle is on the xy plane with the centers 4, 0, and it passes through the point 7, 4. So for this problem, it's actually quite straightforward. You would just need to know the equation for a circle. So we know x, the equation of a circle, to review, is x plus a squared, let's do x minus a plus y minus b squared is equal to r squared. Let's go over what these values mean. So you know x and y, those are the two values of the two axes. And then x and b represent the center. And then r squared represents the radius squared. So obviously you would know that the radius would be r. Okay, so with that in mind, now let's just plug in all the values we know. So we know that it has a center of 4 and 0, so therefore this equation will become x minus 4 all squared plus y minus 0, so that will become the same thing as y squared is equal to r squared. And it goes through the point 7, 4, so we can also plug this in. 7 minus 4 squared plus y, or 4 squared, is equal to r squared. So this becomes 3 squared plus 16 is equal to r squared. 9 plus 16 is equal to r squared, so we get 25 is equal to r squared. That should be all the answers, all the values we need to know. So if we want to get rid of all these other things, we know that our final equation would be x minus 4 all squared plus y squared is equal to 25.